unboxing time. So, we got this big package here to unbox.
If you saw the title, you probably know what's already in it, as well as the thumbnail, but we'll get right into it.
Let's go.
Let's unbox this thing right here. We're just gonna cut this box open. I'm gonna get another pair of scissors to help him out.
Okay, here we go. So we got,
Toss these scissors away.
this right there. That's amazing. We got paper, okay. Oh, big heavy bag.
And what do we do with boxes? That's what I would. And I'll grab these scissors. Toss that there, toss that there.
Okay, so we got a perfect bag. So let's review this bad boy. So far,
what do we got?
it has a front pocket, nothing in it.
As you can see, just
Front pocket, you can fit anything in there, like an iPad, maybe, who knows, whatever.
yeah, a notebook.
Notebook, yeah, something. Then we got this side.
That's
Maybe like an iPad or a phone.
Yeah.
Maybe you can fit that in there. So that's a very good stuff. Then we got the middle console right here. This is a lot of stuff here.
We'll open that up.
You can fit your
What is this? What is this?
paper.
Anything? I just want to make sure there's nothing in here. I'm not wasting my time. More paper.
So you can fit like a computer in here, you know.
Pencils. Lots of. Yeah, this is certified for a 15-inch MacBook Pro. So if you have a 16-inch, maybe you can get it fit. I don't know, because it says 15-inch, so it's doubtful. Alright, oh, you got some pouches on the side here. A little pouch on the side.
Some snacks,
As
maybe.
well as a pouch right there. You also got these straps for attaching a tripod to, because this is a camera bag.
And also you got this back console.
This is a quick shoot access point for your camera. Get this guy out of here. This is a quick shoot access point for your camera, but you will see this also leads into the back. So we're gonna flip this around. We're going to pull these to the side. And that's going to be opened up. And this is where all the gear goes.
All the cameras, you know,
I'll get some lenses and a camera and give you an example.
Let's
see. We got some gear here. Okay.
So we got that in there.
You can take these out and fit these however you want. As you can see, these pouches come out, they're Velcro attached.
And then you can fit that there.
You can fit that there. You can put this to the side. You can fit a lens here.
And then you gotta fit the big boy here.
Oh, you can fit like
the big boy. We gotta fit the big boy here.
Lens hoods.
How do we fit?
This can be fitted like this. If we take this out and we push this to the side, that'll get fitted like this into the pouch.
Like
this is probably a very uncomfortable fit, but this is if you want to do like point and shoot system. But
so
you can also take off the lens, and I will get lens caps. So this is not an ideal way. Your camera's probably gonna like break in here. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm going to disconnect this. Okay, so you can take the last lens and put it in another pouch. Like say I take this out and I put this lens in there, and then I take this camera, I put the camera body in there, and I could take another Velcro attachment and put it there.
So it fits nice and snug, and I believe it's a very good bag. I recommend this bag to anybody who has cameras or things,
equipment, like
MacBooks.
If you're going traveling, you can bring your iPad, MacBook, phone. You can bring notepads. You can bring all your gear, flashes.
I recommend this product for you.
Yeah.
if you're just looking to store a couple things, stick to a regular bag.
This is not really ideal for just maybe one little camera and something like that. But this is called the DSLR Pro Pack from Incase. If you may know, the links will be in the description if you want to check those out.
And we'll link this product if you want to buy it.
Now, there's also pouches here, 1, 2, 3 for like SD cards, batteries, cables, all that stuff, necessities for your camera. Also, when you want to be safe when you're traveling, so when you put this bag on, I will show you here. Okay, so this is a bit big, but as you can see, there's a little strap here, so that when you're traveling, it's nice and snug, so it doesn't fall off, because that's what you want with a bag.
So,
you want a nice travel bag.
That's what I recommend. If you are using this to hold your
pretty big.
If you're using this to hold your cameras in, I recommend this product for you. If you're just looking to store a couple items, use a regular bag, because it's just a lot of components and it's a lot of work. So we'll link this product if you want to buy it in the description down below. Like this video, leave a comment, and press that notification bell and subscribe if you're new. Please, that will mean the world to us.
Yes, that would be greatly appreciated, so we can grow our channel.
And check out what we unboxed. We unboxed a new product that Apple just released.
Cards up here, links
in the
description down below.
So that's it for today.
Make sure you check out that video. It's really interesting.
It's really interesting.
So, we'll see you in some future videos, and we hope you have a great rest of your day.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace!